Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create an Airbnb host account. We're going to go over step by step in real time throughout the sign up process. That way you can follow along to see what information is needed and, more importantly, how to receive your free sign up bonus after completing your first reservation. I personally have been hosting on Airbnb for over 3 years now, and I'm a super host myself. I own a 3-flat that I house hack, so if you'd like to learn more about Airbnb or house hacking, feel free to check out my other videos. But let's jump right into the sign up tutorial. By clicking the link in the description and pinned in the comments, you'll be brought to this page right here. It has an extremely helpful tool with seeing how much you can potentially earn with a host based on a small number of factors, such as your city or zip code, how many guests you have, and what kind of place you have for rent. And I gotta say, from my own personal experience, this is extremely helpful and really accurate. So the next step, you're just gonna wanna create an account. So you can do this in a number of ways, whether it's with Facebook, Google, or Apple. Or you can even put in your own email address. So that's what we're gonna use for this one. From there, it's gonna ask you some personal information, such as your first and last name, your birth date, email, and a password for your account. After that, you just wanted to agree to the terms and click continue. So we're gonna become a host and have our listing in 10 easy steps, and only takes a few minutes to do so. So just click continue. First up, you're gonna list what kind of place you have that we'll be hosting on Airbnb. So in our case, this is gonna be an apartment. So I'm just gonna click that, and then next, we're just gonna have to describe our place. So for me, I don't actually own it and I rent it. So it's gonna be a rental unit. Click next. And what kind of space will your guests have? So you can either do it per room, the entire place, so the entire apartment in this case, or a shared room. So for us, it's gonna be entire place. And then you just wanna enter in the address of the actual place you will be hosting on Airbnb. Next up, we're just gonna confirm some information about the actual listing. So how many guests can we actually have, the beds, bedrooms, and bathrooms. And a little pro tip, the more beds you're able to have in your Airbnb, the higher you're able to charge for your daily rate. So keep that in mind. So if you could potentially put, say, a bunk bed or double beds in a bedroom, or have a bed with a couch, I would highly recommend to do so. So just click next. And after that, you're gonna enter in all the amenities that your place has to offer. Obviously, the more you have, you'll be able to charge a little bit higher with your daily rate. And some things to keep in mind. So maybe in the future, if you wanna increase your amenities, you can increase your rate. We're just gonna go through, select all the ones that I currently have, and click next. Next up, you're gonna have to upload pictures for your listing. Now, you might have the latest and greatest iPhone that has high quality camera, but I would highly recommend that you go with professional. And Airbnb actually has a service that has a professional photographer that comes out, takes pictures of everything, and they actually edit. And I've actually used this myself, and I would definitely highly recommend to use this. It's a lot better than any top-notch iPhone out there, trust me. And the first thing people do is look at your pictures. So you wanna make sure you have very high quality pictures. After the pictures are uploaded, your listing's basically all set. So you can see our listing right here, and you just get this little confirmation page with the little fireworks going off and just saying welcome. Next up, you're gonna be greeted with this homepage right here. And there are some things on it that I would definitely recommend to check out, such as getting ready for your guests, making sure that your calendar is up to date. So that's gonna be the first thing. If there's any spots on your calendar, so you're gonna be out of town or it's already booked for whatever reason, I would go through and make sure that no one else could request to book it and just kind of block those dates off. After that, if you just click on the homepage and then go to your actual listing, you can see on the top left that is unlisted. So that means the listing is created at this time, but it's unlisted, so it's not published to other people, so they can't actually book it. So in order to get your listing to go live, just click on the unlisted with the little red dot, and it's gonna bring you to the listing status. From there, you just click the little green dot, and then boom, it's active and people can start booking. I would highly recommend though to go through and make sure that everything is accurate. If you go to the actual settings, you could actually update it more and more into depth. When you first create your account, say it has certain amenities, but when you go later in the page like this, you could actually go line by line, certain amenities such as like a dryer, a hair dryer, silverware. So I would definitely go through this and make sure that you have all the amenities selected. So that way people don't disregard yours when they're looking to book in your area. Well, that's it on how to open up an Airbnb host account and receive a free sign-up bonus after completing your first reservation. If this video brought you any kind of value, please make sure to subscribe and share the video. Feel free to check out all my other videos about different side hustles that I personally tried and to learn more about personal finance. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.